So no, cow's milk allergy is distinct from lactose intolerance. Cow's milk allergy is, again, it follows the same immune pathways I talked about. And it's a response to one of the proteins in cow's milk. Lactose intolerance is basically an inability to break down the major sugar in milk, the lactose. And when you have you're missing the enzyme or there's intestinal damage or something, you can't break down that sugar, then it gets into the colon or gets further into the intestine. And then the microbes that are living there go, ooh, tasty, tasty food. And then they start metabolizing it and making the gas that causes the bloating and the diarrhea that leads that, you experience if you have lactose intolerance. They are distinct entities. And as you might guess, based on how we think lactose intolerance develops, yes, there can be changes to the gut microbiome. But it's suspected that there may be differences that potentially could predispose someone to have lactose intolerance, right? You do need the inability to break down that sugar in your own body, but what those microbes in the colon do with it once that extra sugar gets there determine whether or not you're going to feel symptoms, right? So if you have bugs that don't really care about it or they're not making a lot of gas, you may feel fine even if you can't make the enzyme. And then unsurprisingly, if you give microbes like to eat a whole bunch of different stuff that humans can't necessarily digest. So if you give them a whole new energy source, you might have certain bugs that get really happy with it and grow out and form a larger population than other bugs. So yeah, you can see changes in the microbial community as well with lactose intolerance.